Looking at the commodities space, we have seen some decent moves in terms of gold, really working out pretty well in terms of our bullish outlook. So we're going to start off by looking at what's happening in terms of the gold market, and we can see that largely, this is the daily, we can see last week was all about a big move higher in terms of gold. In the 4-hour chart, we can see that came up off the back of this triangle breakout that we've been watching. So we've got the triangle breakout, we've got the retracement, and we're always sort of bullish throughout that. And then we've got the big move higher off the back of that. Now we're seeing some sort of pullback. You can see that we have got this 1347 previous resistance level providing some support alongside just below that, the previous peak that we've got here, 1346. So we've got a nice area of support below price action currently, and then we've got this symmetrical triangle. Now essentially the signal here, the bullish signal we're waiting for is an hourly close up above 1352 level. That should lead to another sharp move higher for gold, hopefully. If we get an hourly close below 1346, then it starts to look like we're going to see a deeper retracement, at which was probably start looking at Fibonacci's and some of these other previous key levels. But I do think we've got further upside to come. It's just whether we're going to see a retracement before we rally, or whether we're going to see a rally out of this symmetrical triangle. I think that we should see further gains by the end of the week. It's just how it plays out in the meanwhile, and this triangle is going to be really key to ascertain how it's going to play out. This is Brent crude. Brent crude certainly has been one of the biggest, I say, underperformers. It's been a big downtrend coming into play where we did see wide swings. Now we're just seeing near enough straight lines. We have seen probably the deepest pullback that we've seen certainly for over a week. And if we look on the hourly time frame, you can see that crucially we didn't take out 44.13. We hit the 76.4 and now we're selling off. I do expect this continuation of the downtrend to essentially come into play, and therefore we're looking at 42.52 as the next major support level. You can see here we broke below the first swing low, 43.29. Even if we saw a retracement, as long as it doesn't break up above 43.90, the bearish outlook still remains. So I am bearish. I do think we're going to see a continuation of this downtrend. Next level 42.52 to watch out for on the downside. This view will be negated with a break back above 44.13.